Water covers roadways. Additional rainfall amounts of 1/2 inch to 1 inch are expected in the wood area for the remainder of this afternoon.
Wow. Not sound good. That does not sound healthy. Holy crap. That did not sound good. Like, sounded like that. That the audio is screwed up or something. Gosh, that sounded horrible. Come on. You can do this.
No matter where you are, we keep you on top of anything that threatens your day or your safety. Weather coverage you can count on.
This is why, too.
Oh, and start to the week. When does it all happen?
Yeah.
That's at 5.